In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage contacts, notes, tasks, and pipeline updates from your primary user dashboard. We'll go through a simple workflow that helps keep your system organized and your follow-up process consistent. This is especially useful if you're handling leads, tracking conversations, and monitoring deal activity throughout the day. To begin, open a secure Chrome browser session and access your main user dashboard screen. Starting from the dashboard is important because it gives you a central view of your activity, contacts, and revenue pipeline in one place. Before moving forward, make sure the page has fully loaded so all tools and widgets are visible and working properly. A secure browser session also helps protect account activity while you're working with customer information. Once you're on the dashboard, enter new lead target contacts using the manual create contact utility window. This is the area where you manually add fresh contact records into the system. As you enter each lead, take your time and review the details carefully for accuracy. Clean, complete contact entries make it much easier to track communication later and reduce confusion across the account. If you're entering multiple leads, it's a good habit to stay consistent with formatting so your contact list remains easy to search and manage. After a client consultation session is finished, immediately update the account notes fields. This step is essential because the most useful notes are usually the ones recorded right away while the conversation is still fresh in your mind. Use this notes section to capture the relevant outcome of the session and any important context connected to that account. Prompt note: updates improve continuity, especially if you revisit the account later or if another team member needs to understand what happened during the consultation. Next, create scheduled task items so follow-up reminders appear on the correct execution dates. This helps prevent missed opportunities and keeps your workflow moving forward. When you schedule tasks, think of them as built-in accountability tools. They make sure the next action is already waiting for you at the right time, whether that's a follow-up call, a check-in, or another outreach step. Timely task creation is one of the easiest ways to stay organized without relying on memory alone. Finally, check your pipeline total revenue numbers regularly using the visual deal dashboard indicators. These dashboard visuals give you a quick snapshot of how your deals are performing and help you stay aware of overall progress.